Honey, what kind of drive? First of all, first things first, who thank you, Jesus? Ooh, thank you, Jesus. Ooh, y'all think this is rain? No, this is sweat. The whole way up here, I was praying. The whole way up here. That was...
Aren't you so glad you didn't have to do it?
Oh my God. No, if I had to drive, we wouldn't have made it. Yeah. We would have stopped at the nearest, literally the next hotel.
It was fine, and then it was like we made that turn and just went like...
Oh my gosh. It was like after a few hours, maybe like 2.5 hours of the straightness and like just doing regular stuff. The last two was like insanity.
You did it though.
He did it.
I feel good with our driver.
Yeah.
He said he's with for company. They did this drive 2-3 times a week.
So he was like, he knew everything. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't like he didn't know what he was doing either. He just wasn't trying to just make money. He did the drive 2-3 times a week for years. So.
He was showing us all the monkeys.
Oh yeah, that boy was on his phone. He was doing the whole.
That was crazy.
Whole lot.
My hair was cute when we left Tamarindo.
Yeah, baby, you look good. Alright, y'all. Once again, we are here at the second to last hotel location number 4. And it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We in the jungle now, y'all. Here on the grounds, and this is just complete open terrain. Rainforest, they call it the Rainforest area of Costa Rica, and it's all green, it's all super natural, all type of toucans and birds and monkeys and sloths and a bunch of different animals and stuff. So this is basically the lobby area right here. There's a big old gift shop. I think the gift shop opens a little bit later on. But if you hear that or see that it's raining right now, that's what that noise is. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is like a banquet hall or either a part of the restaurant, because there's a restaurant that's on grounds. So the gift shop is open. And look at this beautiful scenery. Beyond here, there's a huge volcano that erupted 50 days ago. But then in the eruption, it wasn't like lava or anything like that, anything deadly. It was just some gases, I believe, or smoke or dirt, whatever comes out of soot, whatever comes out of volcanoes. But yeah. 50 days ago, a volcano erupted, so that's pretty intimidating, but it's all good. So yeah,
Yeah.
Come around the corner. There's this beautiful lobby. And then we got my wife. Nice pictures and everything. I think the gift shop is open. Yeah, it's open.
Oh, okay. We can go see.
No.
05, right?
Yes. See. How long have you been working here?
About a year, 8 months or so.
Oh, nice.
Do you live here?
I don't. I live about an hour away from here.
Oh, you to work every day? Good for you.
I do, yeah, back and forth.
Oh, good for you.
Hustling, man.
It's not that bad. I mean, I ride on a motorcycle, so it's
Oh, okay.
not that bad.
It's not that bad.
An hour sounds like it's very far, but it's actually not that far. Here in Costa Rica, an hour is just right there.
Wow, that was 30 seconds.
We made it.
We made it. We made it. That's good, y'all. You see what it is. Man, you know what I'm saying? The Costa Rica, the hat. I had to get this view. We are walking in the jungle, bro.
This is where Tom is at.
Huh?
But this is where Tom is at.
Literally.
This is crazy.
Say that one more time.
I said we're having a wilderness experience.
We are having a wilderness experience.
And it's like a cliff too, bro. Like, look how, look. You know what I mean? That's not just like a...
Nah, like if you fall, you gonna tumble down there into something you don't want to. For that, y'all. I know some of y'all out there that are wild and crazy, but this is like, we drove, what, 5 hours?
It was not that long.
4
We
and a
left at like 9:45. Got here at 2. 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 12. Yeah, I guess it's 5 hours.
Yeah, 5 hours.
It didn't feel like it to me.
No, it didn't. That's what he said. Like it doesn't feel that long because it's Costa Rica time.
It's starting to rain.
Oh gosh, I hope
Or
not.
maybe it's just, I don't know if it was just drip from the trees or I definitely felt 2 drips.
Yeah. This is why it's called the Rainforest, people. I think so. What's good, y'all, baby? It's there now, baby. We are in Costa Rica, in a different country, in a rainforest, in the hot springs, y'all. In the hot springs, family up there, and that leads down to here, which leads down to there, which leads down to another one over there. And it's like 7 of them going all the way down. And it is toasty. It's warm and I don't know what. It feels good. So we're enjoying ourselves right now.
Saying goodbye. We have one more hotel. We go to the Hilton for the night, the one that's right next to the airport. And then tomorrow is our final morning. We leave around 11 a.m. I love it here. This is the part I want to remember. Next time, if we come, we'll definitely stay out here for more than one day. I just wasn't expecting it to be this amazing. This is definitely my favorite place. I wish we could have taken a little bit of time off of Tamarindo, but you know, you live and you learn. This is how you figure out where you want to be and like which places are the best. So it was definitely a learning experience. I'm just gonna soak in all this beauty. This is like better than a postcard. It's ridiculous how amazing this is. So we're gonna get ready to go, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.